In a world where technology is becoming more and more significant, did you realize that artificial intelligence progresses through 7 distinct stages? It can be really helpful to know where we are in the process of getting there. We'll do our best to explain each stage in this video in an understandable manner. Let's begin by talking about the first stage. Rule-based AI systems at stage 1. The first stage of artificial intelligence is represented by rule-based AI systems, commonly referred to as one-task systems. To comprehend this, programmers have provided these systems with an algorithm or preset set of principles that they use to work. Imagine playing a game of chess against a computer. Based on its coded rules, the computer is aware of every conceivable maneuver and result. Based on these criteria, it can choose the best course of action, but it is unable to learn or adapt beyond them. These programs are fantastic at activities with precise rules, like processing tax filings or identifying mechanical issues. Although they are dependable and constant, their intelligence is severely constrained. They are incapable of learning or comprehending context. They can only handle scenarios that were pre-programmed, and all of their decisions are dependent purely on the rules that are given. Context awareness and retention systems in stage 2. Context, awareness, and retention systems are the next step beyond rule-based AI systems. The artificial intelligence has significantly advanced at this point. These AI systems are capable of understanding and retaining context, meaning they can remember previous interactions and use that knowledge to inform future responses. A great example of this is your smartphone assistant like Siri or Google Assistant. They process and carry out commands, but they also absorb knowledge from previous contacts with you. Who won yesterday's football match, and when is the team's next game? The computer recognizes that there is a reference to the football team from your earlier query. This is an improvement over rule-based AI systems since these systems are more aware of context, remember knowledge, and manage a wider range of interactions. Another example is the ChatGPT, a system that has been trained on millions of previous chats. It can automatically generate human-like responses to any conversation. These AI systems can give a more personalized and nuanced user experience thanks to their context, awareness, and retention abilities. They are like teenagers in their formative years. They are not yet fully independent thinkers, but they have learnt to retain and apply context in their interactions. Domain-specific mastery systems in the third stage. Moving beyond context-aware AI, we arrive at domain-specific mastery systems. This stage shows the AI's ability to become highly proficient in a certain topic or field, rather than only comprehend and store information. Mastery of a given domain. Artificial intelligence can be found in a wide range of specialized applications. These systems are not all-purpose. They are specialists, fine-tuned to flourish in a single field. IBM's Watson, which was created to excel at answering questions on the quiz program Jeopardy, is a prime example of this. Another example is Google's DeepMind AlphaGo, which was specifically trained to master the complex board game. Go out and do a task to the point of defeating world champions. These systems have a better comprehension of their domain than any person could strive for. They can analyze massive amounts of data, discover trends, and make sound conclusions or predictions in real time. Domain-specific mastery systems represent the adult stage of AI development, exhibiting complex abilities within their specialized fields. However, as evolved as they are still a long way from realizing the promise of full artificial general intelligence. AI systems in the fourth stage of thinking and reasoning. As we enter stage 4, we begin to witness AI systems that begin to resemble the human capacity for thinking and reasoning. These AI systems, unlike previous phases, do not simply follow rules or maintain context. They try to mimic the human thought process, including thinking and reasoning. Artificial intelligence systems can comprehend difficult concepts, solve unknown issues, and even produce novel ideas. This is made feasible by machine learning and deep learning approaches, which allow the AI to learn from experience and improve its performance over time. For example, an AI system could read a book, comprehend the plot, and even deduce the motivations of people based on their actions. Alternatively, It might analyze economic data, forecast market trends, and recommend investment plans. At this point, artificial intelligence begins to resemble human intellect in a more fundamental fashion, although it is still not equivalent to a human mind. It's more akin to a sophisticated instrument specialized in reasoning and thinking tasks. And as fascinating as these AI systems are, we're just halfway there. The following steps move into science fiction territory, with AI matching and even surpassing human intelligence. Fifth stage: artificial general intelligence, and the birth of a new mind, AGI. As we step into the realm of artificial general intelligence, we're entering a world of AI that for now remains largely theoretical. AGI, often known as strong AI, is a type of artificial intelligence that is equal to human intellect in every way. An AGI system would be able to comprehend, learn, adapt, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks. It would not only excel in one domain, as AI systems of Stage 3 do, or even demonstrate human-like reasoning, as Stage 4 does. AGI would be able to execute every intellectual task that a human being can. If you asked an AGI to learn a new language, compose a symphony, deduce a complex mathematical theory, or even comprehend human emotions, it should theoretically be capable of doing so. It would be self-aware, conscious, and capable of understanding and navigating the world, just like a human. However, AGI is still a concept and has not yet been realized. It's the cutting edge of AI research, and it's also where things get heated, because what happens when AI matches human intelligence? What happens next? So, let us investigate Stage 6: Artificial Superintelligence, ACI. If you thought the previous steps were daunting, wait until you see this. Enter ACI, or Artificial Superintelligence. This is the degree of artificial intelligence where things become so complicated that defining what AI is and isn't becomes difficult. Because an ACI system would have cognitive abilities far exceeding our own. ACI envisions a world in which I can outperform humans in the most economically valuable tasks. It is not only about being able to accomplish everything a human can do, but also about doing it better, faster, and more efficiently. Consider a human the size of an ant to grasp the level of intelligence of an ACI system. An ACI has the capacity to solve problems that people cannot. It could develop and produce in ways we can't even comprehend, when it comes to solving major global concerns like climate change or illness. It has the potential to shed light on cosmic mysteries that are currently beyond our comprehension. However, the introduction of ACI raises a number of ethical and safety concerns. The potential for misapplication is immense, as is the possibility of unforeseen consequences. It highlights fundamental issues of power, control, and the nature of intelligence and consciousness. The prospect of ACI leads us into the unknown, and it is here that we reach the end of our voyage. The AI singularity is the seventh stage. The artificial intelligence, AI, singularity, often known as the singularity, is a possible future point in time when technology advancement becomes uncontrollable and irreversible, resulting in unanticipated changes to human civilization. This is mostly related to the emergence of artificial superintelligence. ACI Ray Kurzweil, a futurist, popularized the term singularity in this sense. It's based on physics, where the singularity depicts a point, similar to the center of a black hole, where the rules as we know them appear to break down. In the context of AI, the singularity denotes a point at which an ACI is not only smarter than humans, but also capable of self-improvement, at a rate much above human capacity. This self-improvement has the potential to generate an explosion in technological innovation. The singularity is frequently connected with dramatic predictions, such as the abolition of humanity, the capacity to upload human consciousness into a computer, and the possibility of enormous societal disruption. It is vital to understand that the singularity concept is highly theoretical and contentious. Some experts believe it is a real possibility, while others believe it is science fiction. We simply cannot fathom what a true ACI might be like. Regardless of one's position on the probability of singularity, the trip through these 7 stages of AI helps us comprehend the enormous potential of this technology, as well as the obstacles and ethical questions it raises. As we look ahead, one thing is certain: the role of AI in our world will only rise. This video required a significant amount of time and work to develop. If you liked it and want more video like this, please like it and subscribe to our channel. If you've made it this far, please leave a comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you've learned something from this video. Thank you for watching.